YouTube, and everybody else who's watching this on whatever other platforms there are. It is Cody from Lazy Goblins, and I'm walking around outside right now. Just going for a little walk. Had to run some errands this morning, and now taking a walk because, you know, as a developer, stuff like that, I spend most of my time sitting at the chair. So I've been trying to go out and walk around for at least 20 minutes every day. We'll see how long that stays. Little babies. But yeah, just going for a walk. Just wanted to chit chat for a bit. This might be the start of a vlog. Might start trying to do daily vlogs. Not sure how it will pan out. But might attempt it. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, it'll be fun. But yeah, just on a walk right now. On a walk. Show you kind of the view that I get to look out at every day. Oh, there's a bunny. Yeah, I don't even know if you guys got to see it. But yeah, very blessed for that. Yeah, I've been kind of burnt out a bit lately. Like the past probably week, I've gone to bed at like 3 or 4 in the morning, and I've woken up at like early. So not too much sleep going on here. But the last couple days I tried to get some sleep, so hopefully I caught up with that. But yeah, try not to burn yourselves out. If you start feeling that you're getting burnt out, it's okay to take a rest. It's definitely okay to take a rest. Let's see. What else is on my mind? Oh no, just the game's coming along good. We might do a video today about it, short one, or we might stream. Don't know. Not sure yet. But the game's coming along great. Yesterday I worked on an obstacle, because in the original Wacky Duels, what made it wacky, and I'm so glad that I finally got around to making this, because it kind of like gives me the thought of, yeah, it's actually like coming together. It's, you know, our vision of Wacky Duels is coming back, you know. But what the first game was about was when there would be crates, like barrels, that would stack up on each other, and you could shoot them and they'd bounce everywhere, and they can hit people and, you know, kill people and all that stuff. So I finally got around to working on that yesterday, and it was pretty cool, because at first I was like, okay, I'm gonna slap on a bouncy material to these barrels and crates so that they bounce when they, you know, knock around. And the funny thing is that I actually had, when I went to play the game, I had in the level, like say the playing field was down here, right at the bottom, I had the barrel and crate like right about here. So when I started it, it would just bounce, doom, 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 and it was so cool. And when that happened, I shot the thing, and it like started ricocheting off of walls and stuff. And I was like, this could be an awesome mechanic. So we kept that in. I just made it for the script to say, have a bull on it, and you could check it or not. Is this going to be a bouncy crate or not? Normal crates that aren't bouncy, they just have less gravity, so when you shoot them, they'll fly further and all that stuff. But so yeah, that's going to be something to look forward to. We'll probably mess around and drag that mechanic out for as long as we can, and then maybe add a couple more. We're still on track. You want me to throw it? Come on, go get it. We're still on track for release at the end of the month. The only pain point that I could possibly see is the whole actually publish the whole publishing part and getting the ads in there and fully working how we want them to. Because in order to test the ads, you need it to be published on Google Play, and I'm not even comfortable with putting an APK on Google Play yet. Not even even if it's just sitting there, just because we're still we still have a lot to do. Once we probably get a couple levels in there and we're not having to worry about, maybe things will change or not, then that's probably when I'll throw it up there. Because it's a pain, guys. If you go to release an app on Google and stuff, it's a pain because you have to build it out, put it on the store, wait for it to get up there. Then once it is, then you're good to go. Then you can start testing. Even if you don't even release it, even if you put it in beta, you have to make the APK, build out your game, go to Google Play, upload it, hit the button, and then you wait. You wait for it to get approved. Once it's approved, then you're good to go. Then you can start testing it and using that as your testing field. So it's a pain. So I don't want to start that process until we have a good base and a good amount of levels, and we are actually sit and think about and talk about how we're going to want to do the ads. I have tests on the phone though, working good so far. So always test on your phone, but the whole Google Play portion and testing the ads portion, just kind of wait for that one towards the end, or till you have you're at a good enough spot where you feel fine with uploading it and testing it. But right now we're not at that spot. That's the only pain point that I see with this November release. Of course, we're treating this release kind of as a testing, open beta, before we hit the Apple stores in around January-ish. So this will kind of allow us to put it out there, get people testing it and stuff like that. Because the Apple stores is where more of the revenue, from what I've heard, comes in rather than Google Play. So yeah, I'm starting to get winded. See, I need to walk more. It's probably because I'm talking and doing this. But yeah, I just felt something touch my leg. Getting attacked, guys. But yeah, I'll probably start a blog. Go get this toy and throw it. There's my Sally girl and my Ewok. Hopefully got them in the shot. Ready? Ready, babies? Go get it! But yeah, so yeah, it's coming along good. What have you guys been working on? Comment below stuff you've been working on. If there's a game you want us to try out, comment that below. Give us a link to it. We'll try it out. We'll maybe play it on the channel, see how it goes. We've been toying with that idea, like a Feedback Friday or something type of thing, where other developers can submit their game to us and we'll give our honest feedback, right? Yeah, it's good to have people test it, especially people that you aren't 100% familiar with, because then there's the whole thing of we're not just going to say stuff to be nice, we're going to give it honest feedback, and we're not just going to say, oh, this game sucks. We're going to point out stuff that we think could be worked on with the game and whatnot, and all this stuff. It's all to improve and get better. That's what feedback is supposed to be for. It's to improve and to get better. It's not to say, it's not to get, oh, this is awesome, or oh, this sucks, because that doesn't really help. Why is it awesome? What makes it awesome? So that way you could, duplicate that in the future. Why does it suck? What makes it suck? That way you can avoid that or fix and improve upon it, so people will want to play it in the future. But yeah, we've been toying with that idea. So comment below with stuff you guys are working on. If you want us to give it a test, comment below, please test my game, and then put a link. If not, just put a link to what you're working on, and maybe we'll do a little video, or we'll go and just tweet out a whole bunch of people's games. But yeah, hope you guys are, your stuff is going well. What else? I think that's about it, to be honest, for this little video. This impromptu. I'll probably use this as a development. Maybe it'll be a new series. Take a walk. It's Cody from Lazy Goblins. You guys can walk around with me. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, if I turn this into a longer video, devlog, I might. We're already getting around 11 minutes, so I might cut it off here. And then maybe, start a whole new vlog thing for another thing. I don't know. See, that's a thing. I don't know how a vlog would work. Like, what do I record myself programming and developing and working on the computer, and then speed that up, and then look at the camera and say, well guys, it's about noon now, I'm gonna go cook some food. And then I do a little, I put all the food there, and then I go, and then in sections, and then it's done. And then be like, oh well, I just ate, guys, it's about 1 o'clock now. I'm gonna continue to work. And then you see me, and then I come back, all right guys, it's about 5 o'clock, it's about time for dinner, and then repeat it again. I don't know, I'm just saying that because that's what I see from most development blogs. Sometimes they'll stop it and say, so I finished this, and they'll show it, but I can't really show 50% of the stuff I'm working on, because that stuff is contract work and stuff I can't show, stuff I can't discuss. But the other portion, which is mainly the Lazy Goblins portion, stuff I can show, and I try to show that as much as possible. So who knows? We'll see what happens. We're at about 13 minutes now, so I think I'm gonna call this one good. I'll finish it up by listening to maybe a video or something. Finish my walk with a little video, and then after that I'll get to work. But until next time, guys, keep creating.